Alright, today we are looking at the Sennheiser HD400S and we're going to do an earpad installation. Okay, just doing some pre-installation here. Basically, the original earpad and our earpads that we're going to use to install from AHG. There is a skirting on the back of it that goes all the way around, and this skirting here will slot into the headphone frame into this slot all the way, here, all the way around the headphone. And it eventually just suction cups kind of like that. Now, the original earpads, they are the exact same on both sides. So if you look on the back of them, you'll notice there's no left or right stated because there's no angle to them and they're just basically the same, so it doesn't matter which side it goes on. You can tell which one's the bottom because there's a seam on the bottom. With our new ones from AHG, you have an R and an L on the scrims or the hair screens on the inside. So you'll obviously match that up with the R right here, or the L right here on the headphones when you install them. Okay, removing the earpads. First thing we're going to do is unplug the cable because that will get in the way later on when we try to install the earpads. So let's eliminate that issue. Removing the earpads is easy. You're just going to pinch with your thumb and your fingers and pull and then just peel over. And it peels off. Super simple. Okay, installing the earpads. So our Accessory House Global earpads have the R and the L on the scrims / hair screens. So it's easy to see which one is for left and right. On the headphones, you're going to be looking right about here. Whoops, right about there for the R. And right about there for the L, to tell you which one is right and left. So I have the R right here. So we're gonna, before we start with putting the earpad on, I'm just gonna tell you this yoke on the headphone keeps moving in and out while you are installing the earpad. And because the earpad is gonna slot into this slot here, you end up holding it and putting it in, and then all of a sudden it goes like that. So it can get a bit frustrating, but I'll show you how to avoid that as I do the installation. So we're going to look at the back of I'm going to take the right earpad first, look at the back. We're going to go to the top corner here, and we're going to put it into the top corner right here to start, like so. Now I'm going to, see, it did that already. Alright, top corner. There we go. So that's in. I'm just going to squeeze that in so you can see that that's in, like so. And now I'm going to hold the bottom like that, grip it so it doesn't move. And what I want to do is, you can take your 2 fingers or 1 finger and go underneath, and you can literally put your finger like right here. You can see my finger there, and put it under the skirting and just lift it. And just lift it up and into that slot. And it kind of just falls in usually. If it doesn't just fall in, what you can do is you can pinch the leather and the skirting together and just pull up. I'm going to rotate around, so get that out of the way. Pinch up, pinch and pull, basically. Okay, so now you can see this yoke has got in the way of me finishing off here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it with my right hand. I'm going to take my left thumb, I'm going to put it right here. And my fingers are going underneath because they're going to grip the pad and keep it in place because it's already pretty much 3/4 of the way in and I don't want it to fall out. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just get my hands out of the way. Pinch and pull all the way around. The thumb right there to stop that yoke from getting in. Now, I have the earpad in right here, but up here it's sitting on top. So what you're gonna do, oh, it just fell out. Right. So put that back in place. If you have that situation happen where it's sitting over top, kind of like this, you can see that little bit that's sitting over top. Take your fingernail and just go right through that slot. That should I want you to see it when I do it. There we go. Almost. This part's getting, there you go. Pinch and pull, and then now it's in. That didn't go that well, did it? Now the last part of this, because it's the right side, it has the audio jack right here. You're gonna line up the bottom seam with the audio jack, so that looks pretty much on where we want it. All right, left side, maybe this one will go a bit smoother. Let's get this out of the way, and I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna be annoying. Right, top corner into the top corner first. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna pinch and pull to get this skirting in place around the bottom. Okay, with the bottom now, I'm gonna squeeze again to adjust, and now I'm lifting up and in, and we're back to this yoke problem. So let's hold it here, get this out of the way. I'll even extend the headphone to give myself a little extra space. I'm gonna put my thumb right here. Oh, this is in the way, so I'll get rid of that because I want to get over here. So my thumb is holding this back from falling in, and I'm gonna go up and in, up and in, and that one fell straight in place. And then I'm just gonna look again. The L looks kind of pretty straight. It looks a little bit off, so if I want to turn or twist the ear pad, you're just gonna do that. And let's see here. It looks about right. So all done.
Just for being awesome, you get 20% off your next purchase from AHG. Use code AHG20 off at checkout and you're good to go.